After more than 90 days of trial and approximately 2,000 pages of submission, Kuala Lumpur High Court Judge Muhammad Nazlan Gazali set July 28, 2020 to deliver his verdict in the Najib Razak SRC international trial.
Aras Lima.
By the Malaysian Insight, this is The People versus Najib Razak. Follow us into the courtroom where it all happens. I'm Patrick Teo. Najib was in a very good mood when he arrived in court this morning. He could be seen chatting and joking with the court officials before making his way up to Judge Nazlan's courtroom on the 5th floor. His supporters, who had not been able to accompany him to the courtroom, were able to do so today, though they had to sit in the lobby outside. During a short break, Najib stopped to chat with them, and he posed for pictures and selfies too. It was the last day of submission in the Najib Razak SRC international trial. Najib's lead counsel, Shafi Abdullah, wrapped up the defence's case after 5 days of oral submission. Shafi started by saying that the defense has established beyond doubt that SRC was in a chaotic state. No one seems to know who signed the authorization letters sent to the bank for the transfer. There was a total failure in SRC, the lawyer said. The lawyer added that the bank, too, was in a chaotic state. The prosecution did not resolve the two issues, Shafi said. Why did the bank accept the soft copy? Why were the signatures on the soft copy and hard copy different? They didn't resolve this. Shafi also said that the prosecution was not able to show that Najib asked SRC to transfer the 42 million ringgit into his account. All they showed was the money was put in there, but they did not show if he caused the money to be transferred, the lawyer said. Where is the evidence, in spite of the lack of authority, my client caused the movement of funds from SRC through its subsidiaries to his account, he added. Shafi kept stressing the point that there was not an iota of evidence which showed that Najib caused the money to be transferred either by himself or by instructions. The lawyer also pointed out to Judge Nazlan that Najib had filed a suit against AmBank and its former relationship manager, Joanna Yu. After going through a few more issues, Shafi concluded the defense's submission. He said, quote, "We have raised more than a reasonable doubt pertaining to all 7 charges. We hope that Yang Arif will acquit my client." Unquote. After listening to the arguments and submissions put forth by both the prosecution and defense, Judge Nazlan informed them that he has set July 28, 2020 to deliver his verdict in the case. Before adjourning, Prosecutor Sitambaram and Shafi both thanked the judge for his patience and indulgence throughout the trial. This podcast is produced, written and mixed by Revati Subramaniam. I'm Patrick Teo.